What I'd like to do is to give you a template or just an outline of an eye, and you'll find this in Google Classroom. You can print it out and just follow through these steps so you kind of get the idea of what's going on with crosshatching. And what's going to happen is you're going to also find one labeled there that says like 1, 2, 1. This is black, and you're going to see what areas to take those. So if it says 1, you just go one direction. If it says 2, you go 2 directions. 3, it'll be 3 directions. 4 is 4 directions. And what I'd like to do is show you how to do that right now. So this one's going to be 1 here, so I'm going to go one direction. And this should help a little bit with the cross-hatching project. You can follow right along and just use the same direction if you wanted to, or go your own direction. So you can see I'm just filling this in with a ballpoint pen. Be careful not to put your hand in the wet ink. I should have started at the top so that I won't smear it, but I'm going to try to get this one done. So see, I just did one direction here. I'm going to do 2 here, so I'm going to go back and forth like this. So I'm going to go this direction here. Then you can see, so this is lighter, this is getting a darker gray. Let me do this part of the eye, and then what I'll do is just take a picture of it at the end so you can see all the different shades. But this is going to be 3, 3, 2, 3, and then solid black in here. So let's do this one 3. See, I'm going diagonal. By the way, leave these white. So there's 1. Now I'm going to go straight up and down for number 2. Number 3, I'm going to go back and forth this way at a right angle to the first line I drew. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 directions here, 3 directions in here, 3 here, and 2 in here. I'm going to go straight up and down also. I'm going to go 3 this way, 3 on this one. So let's start over here. There's 1. 2. 3. Let me just darken it just a little bit more, so you can start to see what's happening there. I'm going to save this for later, but let me do the 2 on this side. So it's going to go 1, when you get done, if you need to come back in, you can do a few more lines over top of this just to darken it up just a little bit. Now let's go this direction. This is going to give you a nice gray. You can print off the picture and just follow along with this video, and then just fill in the lines the way they are. Like, I'm going to put a little diagram on there that says 1 direction, 2 directions, 3, 4, or black. You can kind of see what's going on here. And so you've got this starting to happen here. You've got a gray, a dark gray, and this is a gray, light gray. So then you're going to follow the pattern or the number pattern that I give you. Like this would be a 1, and then this is going to be a black. This will probably be a 3, black in here, 1 or a 2, and then this is a 3 or 4, and this is a 2 or a 3. And I'll show you that. Well, it should be on the Google website.